An historic step for American innovation and consumer protection as we undertake the first ever legislative markup for digital assets legislation. The legislation we're considering today is more than a decade in the making. 15 years ago, the Bitcoin white paper was published under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The paper envisioned a global financial network built on peer-to-peer permissionless transactions of digital assets using public, cryptographically protected distributed ledger technology. Since then, thousands of builders, innovators, and entrepreneurs have worked to make that vision of a more inclusive financial system a reality.
Wow, I think he's finally identified innovators in this new asset class. He said the hard work we put in is now coming to be a reality.
Terms like cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and the digital asset ecosystem are now part of the everyday lexicon for millions of Americans and people around the world.
Yes.
This is a software revolution and a financial revolution if done correctly.
Financial revolution is upon us if done correctly. I've been documenting my journey since 2017. I told the world cryptocurrency is coming. All aboard the space train. New U.S. Congressman bullish on cryptocurrency. U.S. Congressman 15 years in the making. White paper was published under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. So now Satoshi's name is up in lights. This is a software revolution, a financial revolution. Cryptocurrency is a very hot topic today across the world.
Like Jordan can't have enough bags, all we do is having some fun.
Welcome
just getting started, the flip of the
to
switch.
the evolution
burning the escrow, now there's been a shortage
of money.
Many digits, now you can't afford it. We up in the sky, price jumping like Jordan can't have enough bags, all we do is having some fun.
Welcome. That was last night's live stream. We had a lot of fun there. I hope you guys hit that subscribe. Check out our daily live streams. Crypto is outperforming the NASDAQ. Ripple spanked the SEC.
Today, we're going to zero in on crypto, which has outperformed even some of the most high-flying parts of the market this year. Mackenzie Sagalos joins us now with a look at the potential risk and rewards ahead for the sector. Mac, it is great to see you.
Hey, good to see you, Frank. So it's definitely a pivotal moment for the crypto sector. A crucial federal court ruling could stifle efforts by SEC Chairman Gary Gensler to wrangle what he calls the Wild West of trading. A judge in New York has cast doubt on whether the SEC has a clear path to regulate most altcoins as securities.
A judge in New York has cast doubt on the SEC's motivation to cast cryptocurrency as securities. As you see, guys, this is CNBC National Media Television. XRP is up 40%, 48% on the year. Solana, Matic, ADA.
That ruling largely viewed as a net win for altcoin traders who feared an imminent crackdown from regulators, as well as for Coinbase, which faces its own legal battle with the
A win for altcoins.
SEC. The top 100 digital assets are up 48% this year, compared to 17% for stocks and 9% for gold. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is outperforming the NASDAQ 100, as are crypto-pegged stocks like Coinbase, Galaxy Digital, and MicroStrategy.
Wow.
But Bitcoin can't seem to break out from the $30,000 price level. One reason being there isn't much investor interest.
Guys, I'm here to tell you that some of the news she just reported is amazing. Cryptocurrency is outperforming the NASDAQ. It's up 48%.
$30,000 price level. One reason being for altcoin traders who feared an imminent crackdown from regulators, as well as for Coinbase, which faces its own legal battle with the SEC. The top 100 digital assets are up 48% this year.
The top 100 digital assets are up 48% this year. I found this price prediction on XRP I thought was pretty interesting from Shannon Thorp. And when I checked her background, it said work at Treasury Management for Wells and Fargo. I am also a licensed realtor in the state of Florida. Not financial advice. People have long asked, what would the price of XRP? What will be the price of XRP? When will this utility come in? In my opinion, now more than ever, I see a divide in the XRP army. One side looking only at the charts, taking cues from the past and trends that follow Bitcoin, to draw short-term price predictions. Others cling to utility, believing that partnerships and the replacement of an old system will drive the price. Neither side is correct, nor in the future will either side be correct. XRP, for those in the know, is not a security. Why would we continue to pretend it is and make price predictions based on securities? In the crypto space, the logic seems counterintuitive and holds back what the team Ripple set to do many years ago. If you dare to challenge the status quo, you must first believe in what you own and know that anything is possible. I have been asked to give my price prediction with no time frame, no clear understanding of the circulating supply or firm dollar amounts. That equates to start. All listed items are subject to the change and will over time. So I'm not going to read this whole thing. She actually references Valhalla Capital's price prediction. Here is a small problem I have with charts. Now she goes into some of the token utility and economics on that. And I will link this in the description if you guys want to check the tweet out. But I'll get straight to the good part. There's actually really good stuff. She makes a really good case in here on why she believes this. As far as Swift settlement, 24/7, 365, the advantage Ripple's going to bring to the table, how slow Swift is. She breaks down how much money Swift moves: 8 trillion, 25 trillion. Now here's the part you all been waiting for. My price prediction is anywhere between 100 and 500 near short term, 4 to 7 months. Why? It all boils down to LS. If XRP is 100 at the supply, say only 50 billion, that makes the LS of 5 trillion, and 500, that gives you LS of 25 trillion. And I guess it would make more sense if you read what the LS and the descriptions are up here. Here's a small problem. If you set a range for XRP, say $1 to 5, you are ultimately saying that if the company owned all the XRP, yes, all 100 billion, they would have liquidity strength. Okay, liquidity strength LS from 100 billion to 500 billion. Keep in mind there is a very small burn rate on each transaction regardless of the amount. This LS does not account for the growth of the economy, the action of the messaging and settling, nor the 24/7 365 benefits we receive using XRP. Swift handles about 44.8 million messages a day. These are just messages, not settlements, and only half of what XRP can do. Now let's say the dollar value of Swift is 7 trillion a day, nor 24/7 365. If Ripple, though its 10 years of innovation and partnerships, were only able to grab 30% of Swift value, that would be 2.1 trillion in daily value, approximately 13.2 million messages. Now you say that XRP settles in 1 to 5 seconds and the liquidity would be there. Yes, settlements are quick. However, if you were to send a 750 million transaction with LS and say 100, that is roughly 10% of all that banks XRP. Interesting. So I say this one more time. Her prediction is 100 to 500 in the near short term, and I will link this if you guys want to review it in depth more. Shout out to Shannon Thorp at Thorp's Shannon 87. I will link this in the description. You're right, XRP. People have asked me long about the price. What are your thoughts on that? Let me know in the comments below. Welcome to the evolution of money. New XRP pair added by Binance US offering. No way. Really good read here. Binance US, a subsidiary of leading crypto exchange Binance, has expanded XRP support. This comes 2 weeks after the announced XRP trading on the exchange once again is live on July 14th. In the tweet, Binance announced the addition of new convert pairs for XRP to its Binance US convert feature. which allows users to directly convert one cryptocurrency for another in only a few taps. Interesting. Best of all, we've added new convert pairs for ARB and XRP. A tweet from Binance USA. I thought this was a very big deal right here, and this is why I'm excited about digital currency, why I'm excited about XRP, because this is a global movement. SBI unveils ambitious plans for Ripple ODL and XRP adoption in Japan, in a landmark revelation that has sent shockwaves through the financial world. The esteemed Japanese financial giant SBI Group has unveiled its ambitious future plans for harnessing the power of Ripple's innovative on-demand liquidity ODL and XRP and revolutionizing domestic and international remittances. The strategic move not only strengthens SBI Group's partnership with Ripple, but also seeks to accelerate the adoption of XRP in Japan and beyond. This is huge. This is actually an amazing read. I will link this in the description also. This one kind of ties you straight to Emily, the Japan, Ripple Japan. And I actually fell down the rabbit hole a little bit deeper on that. Also, the announcement was made by SBI VC Trade in the crypto asset exchange business under the SBI Group during a highly anticipated Zoom-in webinar. The webinar featured the lineup of the speakers: Amy Yakawawa, who works at Ripple, Ripple's Vice President of Strategy and Operations, Director and President of SBI VC Trade. They announced that XRP has ambitious global plans. The central focus of the webinar was to discuss the recent court ruling of the Ripple case, providing critical insight to the implications and future trajectory of XRP. Crypto adoption and global payment market opportunities and challenges. Ripple survey report. Global payment volumes are on the rise, accompanied by growing interest in the use of cryptocurrency across various industries. Ripple and the Faster Payment Council collaborated on a global payment survey. The survey aims to gain insight into payment provider sentiment regarding blockchain and crypto adoption of payments, perceived benefits, future adoption plans, and the potential barriers to growth. Surveyed nearly 300 payment leaders from various sectors in 45 countries. The findings revealed that the majority of providers view crypto-enabled solutions as a crucial factor in speeding up sluggish payment markets. The primary benefit cited was lower costs of domestic international payments. While few enterprises currently support blockchain-based payments, broader adoption is expected in the future, hinging on improved regulatory clarity, which we do have at this moment. XRP is not a security. XRP, Japanese financial giant, plans to use Ripple XRP powered ODL product. I just read you that one. I actually was doing a little bit of research on, a little bit more in depth on that. And I did want to find the Zoom call. I did find this about the Zoom VC Trade webinar, but as I've seen, there's not a video, and I'm trying to find it. I did find this on Emmy's page, XRP. You go to this tweet, translate that right there, because this is a global movement. Thank you everyone who attended the XRP webinar. Like I said, I did try to locate that video. SBI CEO wants every bank in Japan to use Ripple XRP. Old article right there. Like I said, I was looking for that video. Here goes that article from Katawi, SBI VC Trade President. I hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday. Trade XRP Net against XRP on Real Sologenic. Also, guys, download the Volta wallet, link in the description below, and then you can get XRP Net, XRP, XDC. I love the Volta wallet. It's been on fire on our live stream. Hope everybody's enjoying their Sunday. Thank you everybody who tuned into the surprise live stream. Well, it wasn't a surprise. It was a surprise. We had Hollow Model co-host live stream. last night. I can't thank you guys for all the love and support. I can't thank you enough for the love and support. Hope everybody's enjoying their Sunday. Smash that thumbs up. Let me know in the comments.